Okay, I still got to clean the bottom of the hole up. But this is the shape of the rebar. Alright, this side has a downward force and negative pitch across the top, putting strain at the top. So that's the top, and that's the bottom, this huge hook. It serves two purposes, but the rotation, as it tries to rotate, it's anchored at the bottom. Not just a straight bar, anchored. So now it can't, if this side tries to go down on its own, well, it's got to pull across the top of the rebar. And to do that, it's got to also pull on the base going down. Now, it doesn't need more than that. I'm just tying in the top, and there is what it amounts to. But this is over-engineering the design, but nevertheless, it's there. If I drive a car on it, over top of this section here, then that will protect it also, and cantilever action that's over here. On this side, it's just straight compression. I'm not worried about it. This side shouldn't be worried about it either. It's about 8 inches of concrete there, but nevertheless, it's still getting it. Still getting it. The J-bolts, I might pass on the J-bolts and go with I'm working on a sleeve anchor that I'm designing myself with my own pull-out test. It's a kind of interesting character. It will be, well, I'm working on two angles, knurling and also drilling afterwards. Knurling, or I'll do a, boy, I think I should wait for it to do my test first. But basically, it's dropping a bolt upside down, if you will, inside a hole that's excessive. I'm trying to sheepfoot the bottom of it to make the to blow it, make a bell at the bottom of it, to then epoxy, and that acts as an upside down anchor. That alone, I'm going to test alone before I even test the walls of the epoxy wall system. Again, it's something I'm working on. It's because of it takes too long to get the mass amount of anchors I need. We're talking 10 days, and they might show up in 10 days. The one type of anchor that I like to drop in that I was considering. But now I'm going to pass on that because of the timeline. Actually, they said it's 6, so that's 7 days. 6 to the 8th, so 7 to 9 days. I'm off by day. So I want to do some pull-out tests and test some of what I'm talking about, this anchor system. The thing is, I'm going to trash some concrete doing it. I don't get these are, since this design I'm going to work with, will probably not shear the epoxy, but it has a chance of breaking the concrete around it. I need 10-inch pieces of concrete to do this, drilling in the center, to try to make this work, to load test this thing. And I want to load test it down with maybe, I want to do 4 inches, but I might wind up doing more than a 4-inch test. One of my tricks are, I can use one of these 10,000 PSI blocks, right? The manufacturer will tell you how they make them, 10,000, bake them, and everything else. But in reality, nobody has that in the field. It won't dress out to be the same. It won't be 10,000, so well, what's the point of doing that? That's going to give me a false answer, a false reading. So I'm working on cutting one of these, another section of asphalt out. I just don't know where. I can do it in this driveway, cut it out, and then use that as my sample, and then I'll have to patch it back. It might be right here. I might do it right here. The other thing for fun is I blew out a can of foam, and I let it blow down here. The wood was there to remind me that to clean the hole out, not because of the foam, because that came to second thought. So I blew the can of foam off, put it there, and I wanted to see how it would tear down like that, how it would waterfall. And then I was thinking about adding concrete to it to see what it would look like, and then removing it or pushing it down the bottom, filling the hole up. It's still pretty rigid stuff. Oh no, this is my door and window. This is my rigid or soft. Which one is it? This is my soft stuff. There's the shape of it. It's good for getting like the shape of the soil there. I should be able to pick this up. Yeah, this one, and then see, and there's your shape of your waterfall. Let me put it back so I can just show you how that works. If you get some creative ideas, just giving you some creative juices for you guys. I won't mix this by hand. I'll mix it with this, although the bags are pre-mixed, so it's just very hot out. It's like 92 degrees, so, and I'm in the shade here and the sun over there. So I'll do what, I'm just having fun. It's, what day is it? Sunday? Or something like that. So having a little fun on Sunday. Take care, bye.